Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing super well. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create this gorgeous deep purple set. It will include a bit of crystals, some glitters, and yeah, just I feel like an overall fairly easy set, but it has such a cool little effect to it, a little twist in it. I did end up using a gel polish that I've had for quite some time now. I'm trying to venture out into some of the gel polish that I wouldn't usually touch, so I'm trying to like tap into my non-comfort zone out of it. I guess I'm just trying to get out of this comfort zone of where I'm just loving white, pinks and blues kind of thing. I really want to try and do different kind of colors, sometimes even the deeper colors, like today, like a deeper color that I usually try and stay away from. I mean, it's just a color that I don't know, not so familiar with, and it's just, I feel like it's so hard of a colour to kind of create something that's kind of up my alley. So in today's video, I'll be using a colour in the shade 3027 from the company called Cloud Beauty. I'm sure you guys have heard of that company quite some time now if you guys watch my videos. It's a company that I've got a lot of gel polishes from, and it's a company that I get from AliExpress, so they're super cheap, affordable, and I absolutely love them. The quality of these are absolutely amazing for what we all pay, and yeah, it's definitely worth it. Don't expect craziness from it, of course, due to the price, so buy at your own will, but I really love these. These are my literally favorites for the price. It's absolutely amazing. I have now put some money into some Macarte gel polishes, which I'm super excited for you guys to see the haul. And I also put some money into some Semilac gel polishes, which I also super love. So that haul is also coming up soon, very soon. So as you can see, going back to the video real quick, we have already buffed the nails, applied some nail cleaner. We also applied some base coat, and now we are on our second layer of our base color. Like I said, it's in the shade number 3027, and it's this almost like a deep purple, kind of not really burgundy. Don't really know how to explain it. On the tips, it looks fairly see-through-ish, but when you take it off the tip, you cannot see. When you place it on your nails, you also can't see. I don't know why sometimes these tips appear like they're see-through. I don't know, maybe it's the lighting as well, but they are 100% not see-through, that's for sure. So this is what 2 layers of that colour looks like, which I think is so gorgeous. And I decided to put some glitter on that pinky. So before curing the whole set, we are applying this gorgeous glitter. Once again, I got this ages ago. It's, like I said before, colours that I'm not usually comfortable with, and I absolutely loved it. I still love it. It was just, once again, just a colour that I just didn't feel comfortable using, but oh my god guys, the moment I used this, I was obsessed. I am absolutely obsessed. It's gorgeous. I'm shocked, just so shocked. In the bag it looks nice already, but when I popped onto the nail, it's crazy sparkly. Like, I'd happily just do a set just full of that glitter. I might even do that. I have now opened up an Etsy shop, so I have my own website with press on nails, and I've also now opened up my own Etsy shop, and I reckon this is going to be one of the best sellers. If not, then I'm going to be shocked, because it's absolutely gorgeous. I'm sure if I'm able to reflect how gorgeous it is in the photos I take for Etsy, I'm sure people will love it. But oh gosh guys, the reflection, the sparkle this one gives out, it's crazy. I'm also a bit annoyed with myself because I keep buying these 50-gram bags of the glitters, and I'm not using them, and I'm so frustrated. I don't know why I do it to myself. I always think, oh, the more the better, but it's really not. I could have just got 2 smaller bags and ended up having 2 different kind of glitters, but I don't. And it's going to take me like a few years to get through it, sometimes it feels like, but never mind. So yeah, going back to the video, I've already applied a glossy top coat on the thumb. And now we are working on that middle finger. We're going to apply some crystals. And I love this finger. I wanted to incorporate this star-shaped crystal, and I hope I did a good job. I'm not the best at crystal placement. It's something I'm trying to venture into, get a bit good at. But yeah, I just really liked how it came out. It's a bit different. Definitely not what I'm usually doing. I have recently created a set, a neon pink set. You should be able to see that on my channel in the next few upcoming days. But oh my goodness, guys, the crystal placement on that nail, I absolutely love. I hope you guys get to see that video soon. It is a neon nail design. I also have made this baby pink design too. Also, the crystal placement is quite nice. I also use some colored crystals, which is something new as well for me. So I used some pink colored crystals, which I'm super excited about for you guys to see. It's so nice. I love it so much. But for this nail, I felt like that middle bit was bare, so I applied some bigger crystals, smaller crystals, and just kind of tried to cover it all up and make it a bit more interesting. So they're all AB crystals. AB crystals are literally my favorite. I didn't usually just like the standard silver crystals. It was just like, I don't know, just the standard sparkly. But the moment I ended up buying these AB crystals, my love for crystals completely changed, and now it's that one, just completely that one. I could literally have my whole nails in those crystals and I would be very content with that. But yeah, so we are now working on our index. We applied some base coat, so that's going to work as our sticky layer, and I'm using my Makartt brush, which usually gets used for, I think, polygel, but I really felt like it was perfect for picking up this glitter and just being able to control the glitter and place it exactly where I wanted it. So I was popping my brush into that glitter, which is once again very similar shade to that very fine glitter we use on the pinky, which is super nice. It worked out super well on this nail design. And with the brush, I'm kind of dragging the glitter down, trying to create almost like this kind of fade effect, like it's kind of sprinkling down the nail. Right at the top, I really wanted it concentrated, and then it just kind of like fades down to the nail kind of halfway. That's where I kind of wanted to stop, and that's what the set is looking like. We're gonna pop that bad boy into the lamp, and now we're gonna go in with a glossy top coat on that middle finger where the crystals were, just to finish that nail off. Now it's ready to go. We're gonna apply the top coat. I always like to say this in all my videos, just try not to get the top coat onto the crystals because it does dim them down and it's just not ideal. If you do get it on there, it just is what it is. I'm sure I plenty of times get it on there, but it's just a good little tip to just try and avoid that, especially when you're not using rose Swarovskis, because then the crystals are already slightly dimmed as it is, so you don't want to dim them even more, applying some top coats and base coats or whatever you're using, or more even gel polish on it by accident. So after applying that top coat, we are now applying some top coat on the index finger, and I believe we should be applying one or two layers of that top coat. I don't know if I showed it in the video, just because of the glitter it's a bit bumpy on there, so I decided to do a few just so it's all nice and smooth. And now for the ring finger, we are going to do this like side, I don't know, I sometimes like to call it almost like a French tip, but not, it's like on the side. So we're going to start from one end right at the bottom and then draw a slanted line going to the top of the nail, and we're going to colour that one side in, and then we are going to pop some glitter on top of that, and we're going to use that gorgeous glitter that we used on that pinky, which is super nice. Super nice. I love it. It's just so nice. I can't believe it. And it's also got this like cute rainbow kind of reflection to it, which is so nice too. I don't know how to explain it. I'm just obsessed with this glitter. I don't know. Super obsessed. I don't know if I mentioned or if you guys saw, but this nail should have been top coated before applying the glitters, because if you do it before, it's going to be a pain for you to top coat it, because we're going to do this line that we're doing right now, which is just another line just above the coloured in bit that we've already done, just to give it a bit more character, a bit extra something onto that nail. We're just going to draw out that line, and we're going to do exactly the same thing. We're going to pop that glitter on top of that fresh gel polish, and we're going to cure that nail. And I want to say that's kind of going to be the end of that design. So it's not too hard, once again, just like my previous video. It's not hard, fairly simple. Anyone can create it as long as you've got some glitters, some crystals or anything like that. I will try and leave a link to this glitter because I think it's so beautiful, this glitter. I hope my camera's given it justice. It's absolutely beautiful. So I will try and link it down in the description along with anything else I use in this video. So yeah, I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!